This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, I am Musab.
And I am Ahmed Mahjoub. We are here for session 2 in exercise 2 programming technique 2. So let's look at the problem, Musab.
Share the screen.
Okay. Share screen. That's the slide.
Problem.
So we have the code is prepared. Declaration of class subject must be given starter program. So we already have the starter program. And definition of some methods is already get. This program is for calculating GPA student. So in this function we have 6 requirements in order to implement a successful code. First, we should define necessary method. So the class named point, determine the point value, the grade earned. For example, the grade earned is B plus. The method should return 3.33 and the class name subject. Now let's take a look at the code. The main code. Okay, let's write our names. Location Sultan Mosque.
Sultan Mosque.
Sultan Ismail. What's this? Sultan Ismail Mosque.
Right. Get some time.
So the date is 14 November.
Still November, right?
Yeah. 14 November. No. Time is 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
So please, I think.
So it's the code, the class,
A video link is later.
class named subject must contain 3 private members, name, code, and scores, and 1 default constructor subject. 4 functions. Credit function is already defined.
Yeah, the starter function here is
Yeah, that's the definition of the
constructor
default constructor.
fully given.
Fully given. And the definition of the function credit also fully given. The function grade, point, and print. Grade is already given with the resolution scope because it's defined out of that class.
Yes.
So it's already given its return string. And in the let's check the requirement again.
Find accessor method.
Accessor methods getter. method.
Method from the class.
Class name point and determine the point value when it earned. So
Okay.
shall you start coding and navigate?
Okay.
Okay, can start the function point
Define a regular function that read a list of subjects from user input.
below. You can start below.
Okay, let me read this. Variable that determines the length is already defined. Okay. Okay. Yes. Define an accessor method. The class name point. Accessor method from the class to the point, which is also in the class that determines the point value.
It will be
The
defined.
grade L, for example. Okay, this is clear. Okay. Okay. So we start I double because it returns a point. The function returns a point, so it's a double subject, right?
So this is it's defined outside the class.
Yes.
Don't forget the scope resolution.
Yes, this subject is it in capital. Okay. The subject function, which is a point here,
Const.
which is a point here. Then we open the. Okay, so first of all, it should get a grade. Should get the grade, so it will determine the point here.
Exactly.
Should get the grade, so this grade
I
here.
think it should take take the returned value from function grade and then determine the the point value.
One grade here, string grade.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should have a string that gets the grade from the class. String grade equals
Can call the function.
grade, right? Grade.
Yeah, grade.
This is called, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if grade, so after calling it, you'll get the if statement. You'll get the if statements. If statements which are a equals a. Okay, if
Grade is equal to like a plus or is equal to grade equal to a.
will return
Turn for GBA.
or
Midpoints. Point value.
what? It will return this.
Yeah.
The
Tab because the indentation.
else if
Tab for return.
which one? This one.
Yeah. Tab. To be
Okay.
well indented.
Else if A is equal to A minus should return up. Return 3.67. Right, so
I take the slide if you.
same idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
B plus before B.
Uh, This week 2, 6, 7, or
3.00.
oh yes, it's
C plus.
B
B
minus.
minus 2.67. And C plus.
2.33.
C. 2. C minus 1.67. C.
D plus.
D, yeah, D plus 1.33.
D.
D. 1. D minus.
D minus then E.
No, D minus then E, yeah.
E or
It just may return 0 because it doesn't matter. Check the table.
E.
To be E with return 0. Just return 0. I think it's enough.
But alright, can also can be like this.
It shouldn't be like anything else but E. So if it was E to return 0.00.
Plus else 10, 0, 1, 0, 0.
Same column.
I think this is the program.
Function is complete, I think.
It's the first part.
So check the second requirement.
Let me comment here. This is the first.
Okay, that's one.
We want to do the second one. Where is the second one here?
Secondly,
By accessor method to class name print that prints the subject's information such as code. It's just printing, print
to print the name, the information of
code name, credit or score,
Oh,
all these things.
what is the coding? We will navigate. Accessor method, also getter method. It will print subject's information like the code, the name, and the print. So void to return the void, yeah.
Why printed?
Void print cost. It's the second requirement. Probably for subjects. On the downside,
Column.
semicolon will be. And then at the output should be
Subject for subject name, credit score, grade point, subtotal. Should print all this.
yeah, should print all of this.
Okay.
Access. Then total point, total credit, GPA, and the lowest. So I think let's go to the main. I think you should take the same main but the output will be like different, like because it's going to ask you to enter subject code, subject name, but there.
Okay.
So I think you should copy paste that
The same as this one.
same, but you will change the output. Like subject code will be just code, subject
Okay.
name will be just name, and credit we can call the function credit. Score this score is in the private already. Grade we can
Okay.
call grade, and that's it.
Okay. Okay.
So
We thought it be
Control C. Control B. So
we'll just change here.
yeah, like previously you ask to enter the subject code, now just the code.
We'll take it from the class.
Yeah,
Okay.
name. Credit.
Name but wait. Code and name in the class, right? Where is the class?
Private.
In the private here. This one.
Yeah,
Score. Then we'll call
functions.
attributes and methods. Good.
So in order to for the credit, I think we should just call function credit. Oh, it is credit here. Just get all to this function.
And create is in the class, right?
Yeah. Here is a private.
Go back to the class feed.
Just a second. Let's upgrade for score.
Wait. So create point and we call
That's
this
the member functions. Yeah. Should be score. And in order to out the grade, you can just call function grade. It's function grade. There is. Here you can just paste. Right?
yes.
For the point.
Yes, point. Same one. Yes.
And
Total.
the subtotal, I think the best is like subtotal. It's just I think it's yeah. Just a multiplication of credit
Created by the point.
point. So we can just call credit multiplied by point. What do you
Okay.
think?
Normal multiplication.
Normal, yeah. It's great. Multiplied by point. Right, this will give us.
Okay, this is the output.
Yeah, that's what I
Okay.
think. So I think this second requirement is complete. Just let me check. Yeah, accessor method to the class print. Subjects. Yeah, I think
Print all these things.
code, the name, credit hours, scores, others in the screen.
3 define an overloaded operator in the class. So first of all, it function type will be operator, same as in the slides. In the class for the less than operator, it will be a less than operator, less than that determines whether a subject is smaller. Subject is smaller than other. We are just comparing. Comparison is done based on the subjects for the operator should return a Boolean value. So this is the return type. Okay. So
Shall we return the overload operator inside the class or outside?
returning the operator.
I think we should.
Outside,
I think it's better to. I think it's better to implement it inside the class because
outside the class or inside?
we can define it inside or outside. I think it's better to define it inside the class. What do you think?
You think should be inside? Yes.
Inside is better for the indentation.
Inside.
Yeah, inside the class.
I thought to.
Shall you code or?
I thought doing it outside would make it more clear, something like this.
Shall we do the coding?
Oh, yes, I'll do it. Okay.
I'll navigate.
Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, this is 3. So it is a bool type operator. Boolean type operator, which yes, it is a less than operator, which is less than operator determines either a subject. So we will call a subject. We call subject. But like this, right?
Our subject is the class should be our S should be in uppercase, I think. Because it's a class. They make an object of the class inside.
It is here, subject.
Yes. It's capital.
Yes. Okay. Which one is a subject? The comparison is done based on subjects on the subject's score. So because we are comparing, so we just take any part of the subject, right?
Yeah, you can take an instance. Let's make it like other. Would be % other. It's like an instance of the class.
Okay, it's like this, right? Constant. Okay, so open the. So we are comparing between doing
In the score.
score, yes,
And other score.
the other score here. Score is less than other
Not score. Yeah.
score. That is right. And to return the point.
Should be returned.
Okay, so this is just like this.
Should be returned score. Should be returned here before score.
Wow, we return, right? Okay, like this.
That's all. But for the logic operator, because it's less than operator, it will return the score less than.
I should choose. Okay,
That's it.
it's all right.
I think it's right. I will check later if it's right or not.
Okay, define a regular function that make use of the operator defined in C. This function should accept 2 subjects as parameter and return the smallest one. Do you want to do this one or?
I'll do the coding for number 4. You can navigate. So define a regular function, make use of the operator. This function should accept 2 subjects as parameters.
Function should accept 2 subjects and return the smallest one.
Yeah.
Also should be a comparison here.
But I think this is more related to number 6. Since we in the number 6, we are going to declare an array called list of subjects. So we are going just to compare.
You think so?
Yeah. We'll make a list of subjects and we'll go to 4. We'll just compare subjects inside that. So it's like a list of or an array of classes of subjects. We're going to compare between the 2 of them. So I think it's could be a function, not a class function, shows to not include like the resolution operator and something. This is required number 4. It will return subject type, because as I think it should say mentioned here.
Define a regular function that makes use of the operator defined in 3.
should accept two subjects as parameters and return the smallest one. So it's actually returning a subject to return a class. That's why the return type should be
Subject. Okay.
subject. Let's define it as like uh, any function, maybe get lower score subject, maybe,
Because are comparing here.
or it's maybe lower
Anyway.
score should be camel case score subjects for the function. Or it will accept constant subject. Maybe let it, for example, A, and other subject.
Accept from subject.
Yeah. So it actually accepts two subjects.
Okay.
Inside the subject, it actually use operator define three, accept two subjects as parameters, return the smallest one. So to return the smallest one, I think it's easy. It's like if A is greater than B.
44 minutes.
Oh, it's close. So it's
44 minutes. It's still have time.
okay. It's like we can do it maybe by if A is greater than B, then it will return like B.
It's because it's just a comparison. You can use
Or
it
maybe
in two
this-
ways. Maybe the if or the normal if else if like this, or maybe on
Yeah, in online. I think it's better.
online. That's two ways.
Yeah. If A is less than B, then it will return A. Otherwise, it will return B.
Return. Not right return. Okay.
So this
The
let's
comparison between subjects here.
yeah, we just like define the function by using the function should accept the parameters and to return the smallest one.
The fifth deliverable is define a friend function to the class. So it's inside the class that treats a list of subjects from the user input. Okay. If you look here, define a regular function that reads a list of subjects from the user input. So it's related to this function, to this friend function. So the main function is this one. This is the main function, and the friend function will be inside the class. Okay, do you do it or I do it?
You can code navigating.
Okay. Okay, first of all, we have to define a friend function. Friend function is just taking this function here and define it inside the class. Here, right?
Yeah, maybe.
It will be just can you go like this?
So this friend definition.
The friend function is okay. So to read the user input, so it's just what the user will see on after executing the program. So let's imagine how the user will expect to interact with the program. So you as a user, what you will see first? First of all, you'll expect a program that will show him the grade, subject name, subject points, all these things. Okay. So in the executing screen, here, define a regular function that reads a list of subjects from the user input. On the executing screen, to get the data from the user, to get it inside this object subject here, to list his marks, we should ask the user for many things. First of all, is the number of
The name of the
subjects.
subjects,
Number first of all.
number of all subjects, yeah.
Number of subjects, because we don't know, maybe it will just execute forever. Number of subjects, name of subjects, code of subject, and the score he earned in the subject. So then he will get the total score later in the main function. Yes.
So first we define
Understanding what the user expecting. So first of all, is the integer for number. This for the number of subjects. So we have this. We see out for the user.
and copy paste on the slide.
Is it copy paste?
Enter info. Enter how many subjects?
Uh, so
The user should enter.
this one. Cn number, right?
Yes.
So
Then we can just can use in the ignore to maintain the indentation of the program.
if the user did not here. So after getting this, let me check the output. So this entering in the infos type. See how this.
Be in for loop.
Right, because it's many subjects.
And then this output.
Storage is okay. Five, four, I is equals 0. I smaller than my number. I plus plus. Okay. So after this,
We copy paste also from the slide.
yes, enter info for subject. This. See out.
But copy, just copy paste.
Mhm.
The info.
The info. So,
Then
I
I plus 1. Subject will be I plus 1.
R goes to be 0 here. I plus 1 enter info.
And then it will be
That subject.
uh, see.
Yes. Plus 1. We're seeing get line. It's end of get line, right?
Yeah, because it's string.
Get line. Get line.
You also see out before seeing, see out the enter the subject name. Subject
This one, right? This should be end line here. Right?
It's backslash.
CN.
See. See, maybe because the string can be get line
line,
function.
line, scene. What is it? Code, right?
Yeah.
Is it like this?
Yeah. That's for the talk.
Okay.
Then also say out subject name.
Okay.
Get line also. Scene and name. There is the score. Say out also. Score and
So here's color.
score. You can also like send and ignore. So will indentation of the program. Since we use it. This is for I think we in order to store the values of score, name and code, you can how to say can make a function called
Function for the details.
set the they call it like set details to store the values of score, name, site, outside, and you can define it over in the class. How do you think?
Maybe. But how to make it more clear?
Like we can if you go to the class over yeah,
Yeah.
then define a friend here. Avoid set details the color of this contains like string
String for the name and okay.
store all the values.
Oh, because we're not defined, right?
Not here for the score.
Okay.
There we can
Simple.
then define we add definition of the function outside.
For this one, this is just declaration.
Yeah,
You can just take this,
you can copy it.
but we have to make it as the subject. Yes. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We here. We have to
Define
make it
definition of the function.
definition, but we have to relate it to subject here because we use subject.
Yeah.
Okay, so subject, right?
No, it should be the same. Void subject.
Void subject.
Yeah. Subject and then the scope resolution.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Then inside it, we define these ones. These
No, it should be like string n, string c, and string s, and then we equalize n is code.
so this is here or inside?
This is inside. This
These ones.
should be no, it should be a string n, string c, an integer s.
Okay.
Then inside we equalize it with the values of in the private members.
So say string n equals
No, not string, not string, because it's already defined.
n equals name here, right?
Yeah.
Name. Code score. equals name. C. Score. S equals score. Okay, so we define the details. We get the user input, and we make the friend integer here, friend function. This one. Okay. So anything else related to 5?
You should pass the values to the set details inside the function 5.
Here in define friend function. Okay, what is left?
Inside the function, should define the should pass the values.
Right. So to set details.
Yeah.
Okay. So we return or
No, just
outside the for or inside?
inside the function.
Okay. So return or what?
Just set details.
Set details. Set details. Okay.
Then the name score and name product score.
Name. Code. Score like this.
Outside the loop, it should return the count or number. Function returning the number.
This one, right?
I think so. Okay, we'll check later. See why there is something missing.
Okay.
Now let's
This is 5.
this 5, a friend function.
Okay.
Let's go with 6.
Okay.
I do the coding.
The function. Declare. Think you can do this one.
Like. So in the main function, we should first declare an array to hold a list of subjects. Okay, let's go to the main. Subject. Subjects. And inside it, should put a constant. So the user cannot like exceed the amount, specified amount.
Right. 1 times 10 subjects.
Yes. And then should define like tier day that will call a friend function inside it. Subject. Same
Subjects or subjects?
subjects. Subjects function. If there is anything missing, it will be appear later. So I think it's okay. And then
Check the deliverables. Declare an array to hold a list of subjects.
that's array to hold a list of subjects.
Using the function defined in 5.
In this, we use the function defined in 5 by calling the function defined in 5.
The inputs and
Store them in the array.
So you will call the user this one.
Yeah.
So you call it this is B.
Yeah. This is 6 2. That's 2 to us to call the function 5.
I abuse it. So now we are here.
Yeah.
Using the method, print the subject information such as the code, name, score, etc. with expected results. So how to print this one? You just call which one?
Like yeah, can be an if loop. Figure I is this I is this cell.
If loop?
Yeah. So because it's like
For the array.
yeah. And back to name. And this was a line. So we should print. We should print, yeah, the subject's information. So we'll call the function print. So it will be like for each subject, the array subjects
I
are
yes.
equal to print. That's how like
Is it an if or a for? For
yeah for loop, yeah.
the for loop. Yeah.
For integer I is and my max subject count plus a line. That's I think this will print uh, all the subject name, code, all the information of the subject.
Okay, okay. Can you go back? Can you go back? Okay, good.
And after that, using the function defined for determine the subject that earns the lowest score and bring the result. Use the same method from top. So here should just like you should also use subject print, but we should determine the subject the lowest subject errors. So we should define subject lowest.
Isn't can I go down? It's
Code lower, yeah.
this one. Isn't it this one?
Yeah.
We call this one.
Yeah. We'll call this one.
Yeah.
Last subject. And you'll assign it to like subjects 0. So it's like we initialize it with a value.
Subjects.
Yeah. Subjects 0. We initialize it with a value. So it's like comparing easy numbers. We give it the value and then we compare after that.
Okay. Can you go back to using the plans of data as a loss? Right.
So also for loop. Is less than yeah, I think we should put I is equal to
0.
also I plus I. And inside to check if no it will call
That the function.
yeah you call the function.
Let's take from subject 0 here.
Yeah, it will be like lowest subject. Inside it, you will pass to the it will be equal to, and then you will pass to that function lower inside. These values it will compare and you give us the result. Lower function.
Subject yes.
Subject lower compare with the lowest subject and subject side. So it will spin around whenever it find like how to say it's find subject that's less than the lowest subject. If you assign 0, it will give us it will be the lowest subject.
Okay.
And then you do the same. It will be the lowest subject. Oh, I think after we made this, we should call the print function.
Here.
We should call the print so it print the lowest subject. And then
Is it here or outside the loop?
inside the loop.
Printing the lowest subject.
Yeah, it should be inside the loop. So, oh, I think it's outside.
Outside the loop.
Lowest subject. We should call print.
Look print.
Yeah. It's for the
Same car.
lowest subject.
Yeah.
Before the lowest subject, I think should determine total point and total credit in the GPA. Side side the main function.
Related to the output.
Before that, we forgot. It's out. We say out lowest subject. Got it. Should be like that. So, but before this, we should got the total point. So the total point is actually it's the total of the subtotals. So and the subtotals are the multiplication of the credit by the
Divided by
points.
the point.
So it's just like with I. You can just like divide double sum or total point. Total point. And it will inside the for loop. It's equal to 0 initially. And you should do a for loop. Control C, Control V. y plus plus. And inside here, should be the credit multiplied subjects I.
Yep, so it's I.
Not credit. Multiplied
Credit.
by subject. Oh yeah. Multiplied by subjects I dot points. Dot point. And total should be defined inside control X, control V. The points equal to yeah,
So the one should equal this.
it should be also equal to this.
Delete double here.
Yeah. I think this will print, and then here we should print say out
Total point. That's
total point.
okay, and line.
Or should be, I think it will be in this case total point like that.
End line here.
That's for the total of the points, and then the total of the credits, just the
Sum of
the
credit.
addition of credits. So also for should define integer total credit is equal to 0. Total credit is equal to
Credits.
total credits is equal to subjects I dot is I that credits
Where is it? Where is it?
yeah this plus total credit. That should be also in the, and here should say out say out total point
Total credits.
total credits.
Total credit. This.
And let's for think we have a mistake here.
So
The this total point plus
go to this.
Let's just think about the total point.
Can you go back?
Total point is just this. We did just like we did for the DBA. Total point is just
Yeah.
yeah. Let's fix the code. Just this for was for DBA. Total point is equal to subject. We print total points, total credit, and we are about to print the DBA. DBA. So the DBA is the multiplication.
There's some
There's a
summation of this divided by the number.
yeah, summation of the points divided by the number.
So do we have to make an array for the points?
Yeah.
Use the array of subjects. Yes, use the array of subjects. Dot point.
Array of subjects. Yeah, the same. Same.
Use it. Use it the new double. Okay. Double for GPA equals 0.
Yeah.
Same like the previous ones.
Double DBA.
Equals 0.
And then we have for loop.
Wait.
Inside. Maybe
This one, I think this should be outside. Because every time you will do the loop, it will
yeah.
assign it to 0.
Yeah. Makes sense. We'll try that code later to see what will happen.
So now,
So it's outside the for loop, and then we do the for loop for the points. Thing like that. And total point.
subject dot point. Subjects.
Subjects. That points.
0.
Okay, and that's
Can you go back?
subject dot point not plus. It's
Dot
not
point, yes.
It's not yeah. It is that. Yeah, also plus doesn't point.
What is this?
It's going down. Total point.
Total. Okay. Total. There is a
Yeah. Total point. So back to DBA. Total points is equal to same total point. You can just say total point divided by DBA is equal to total points divided by
I don't think we need to make this for loop.
for loops.
Just the total point by I or by yes by
Makes sense. Without for loop. Double DBA is equal to total point divided by number of subjects, the inter user, which is A.
uh,
The returned, the count that we return
right.
to be A.
It was like this. So
See out.
to be like this.
Um,
can you
Then just count like the space.
just count total point? I think we should make a set width.
Without
Mhm.
no need more set width. Right. And we can just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and that's 14. So I think it's enough. Let me check it later. So, in line. In line. Second code. So,